So I want to make this very simple. I've been making videos about Terra Luna Classic more frequently lately, especially because it's increasing by a lot, especially because there's some conversations and comments about it. But I've also received comments where people are like, what's going on with XRP? Are you just not going to talk about XRP anymore? No, I hold XRP and I'm going to continue to talk about it consistently, right? Because I hold a decent amount. I would consider a large amount of XRP. I'm under a 1%, a top 1% holder, right? I like XRP. I think it's going to go so much further. I think it's going to be worth more than Bitcoin. I've said this plenty of times. Just because I haven't talked about it doesn't mean that I don't have any information on it, or doesn't mean that I'm not supporting it and that I don't hold it anymore. Like that's crazy, right? I know people want me to talk about it. I know people want to hear more and more news. There's not much or a crazy amount that's happening. I could bring out a ton. There's always news that's going on, but it's mainly around what the price prediction is going to be, what the end price is going to be. If it's running right now, or if it's falling, or if the ETF has inflows, or whatever, right? I promise you, XRP is going to be fine. XRP is, there's no worry in my heart about XRP. So we're going to talk about where it is, and we're going to give you a brief update on what's going on here, and hopefully we can get out of here quick. If you guys could hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out my link for BTCC down below if you guys are interested. You can get a 10% deposit bonus on your first time deposit, extra bonuses up to $10,055, enjoy up to 40% lower trading fees, and you can trade up to a 500x leverage with no VPN and no KYC that's required. It's honestly a very, very good platform that I've been using for over a year, going on 2 years or a year and a half at this point. So definitely check it out. Link is in the description. You guys have been holding crypto for a long time, right? I'm sure it's been like 3, 4, 5 years at this point. Why haven't you made anything extra on the money that you hold? If you hold XRP, shouldn't you be able to gain something for holding it? Mark Cuban once said that he doesn't hold any stocks that don't pay him for holding it. And that's what today's video sponsor does. FortisX. You can earn up to 20.67% variable APY with your holdings. Trade some of the largest cryptocurrencies in the world with no lockups. Withdraw anytime that you want. And it's built for the long-term holder. They allocated over $170 million in assets to date. They have public audit reports, secured with Fireblocks, operating since 2018, right? So many things that are positives about them. And I think you guys can at least give them a look and check the link out. You can also see how much you can earn. Estimated rewards, if you have $50,000 in XRP, you can gain $10,000. So definitely go ahead and give them a look. I have been using them for a good amount of time, and I've been able to gain the percentages that I really wanted to. It's not always 20% APY, but you can have higher percentages and you can gain something for the positions that you've been holding for such a long time. Definitely check it out. The link will be down there in the description for FortisX, and thank you, FortisX, for sponsoring this video. Now, there's a lot of news that's consistently being put out about XRP, whether it's about the ETF, whether it's about the Clarity Act deadline and different ETF outflows or inflows, or whether it's about the partnerships or what David Schwartz is saying about XRP and how it would already be higher if the $10,000 target were credible, right? Ripple CTO talks about his story and AI vision for XRP Ledger. So there's a lot of news hours ago, days ago. It's not going to go away. It's a very popular project. It is a top 4 project out there. If we look at just cryptocurrencies and not stable coins, then yes, we could say it is the top 3 cryptocurrency that's out there. But this is where XRP stands. It currently sits at a $1.38 level at $85 billion market cap with $1.4 billion worth of volume, over 525,000 holders here with about 62 billion coins in circulation. So the last 24 hours, again, is slightly up. The last week is down by 3%. The last month is up by 7%. The last year is down by 37%. People have reached out to me and said, hey, Matt, are you worried about where XRP is? Because it hasn't really moved. And, we haven't seen, the explosion that we expected to see after April. Again, expectations and reality, they're completely different, right? I have the expectations of prices to happen, not necessarily about dates. However, I want to put out dates, I really do, and what I want to see, but it doesn't mean that it's a guarantee. Cryptocurrency, very difficult to pinpoint and say this is where XRP is going tomorrow or in the next hour or in the next month because crypto can completely react differently. The reason why this is down is not just because of an XRP issue, right? 37% over the last year is not just unique to XRP. You see many other altcoins that are down. Bitcoin is down from its all-time high, right? You see all of these that are down a decent amount. It's not just an XRP problem. So am I worried about XRP? No, I'm not. If you are somebody that has spent your last dime or money that you physically need right now, that's where you can be worried about it because you have a timeline. You should not have just a simple timeline on your investments that you're making. Whenever they make their move is when they make their move. If you believe that they're going to be worth something, there's businesses out there that don't flourish until 5 years in. And if you're telling me that someone's like, I'm going to make a return on my investment, and then if they're like, oh, well, what's happening? They end up giving up on that investment, it takes away from what the business can gain because now you're taking away from that investment that you made. You're taking it back. But if you let it mature, and everybody lets it mature, you now have something way bigger than what you expected to see because you didn't have a simple timeline. So I'm not worried. I'm not worried about XRP at all. I believe XRP has a ton of potential. It will be worth more than Bitcoin. It will be worth trillions of dollars. If it's not now or in the next 5 years, it will be worth more than Bitcoin in the end. Bitcoin will be here for nostalgia reasons, and right now you have a lot of things that are picking up interest because of the utility that they bring. I don't think Bitcoin is bringing, and I don't want to talk down on Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin will still be worth a lot. It's not saying that Bitcoin will drop in price. I don't want anybody to come after me about that. I think Bitcoin will still be worth a lot and will increase in value, multiple trillions of dollars. But I just think XRP will be more usable and in turn will be worth more trillions of dollars than where Bitcoin stands. It is the third largest cryptocurrency in the world. Let me go ahead and look at this. So the third largest cryptocurrency in the world, competing back and forth with BNB. And I think it will be worth more than Ethereum and worth more than Bitcoin in the end. But again, that's just my opinion. So I have no worry in my heart. XRP will be just fine. And I hope you guys see that as well. When it comes to the ETFs, when it comes to partnerships, when it comes to cross-border payments, those are things that I, hyper focus on when it comes to different country conversations about it, different governmental conversations about it. I just see XRP as more valuable than anything else that's really in the market. So I want to know what you guys think. I just wanted to give you an update and let you know that I still hold my 210,000. Somebody commented and said that I thought you hold 300,000. Did you sell any? I've always held 210. I've not always, but I've at the max level, I've always held 210,000 XRP. And that was it. I didn't sell any. I want to sell some at different prices, but we haven't reached those prices yet. It's not about a timeline, it's about a price. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links down below. Check out my link for BTCC as well. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.